Question 19. So for part A, we're being asked to use the graph to find an estimate for the gradient of the curve at minus 1, 6. So let's go and find the point minus 1, 6, which is here. And we've got to find an estimate for the gradient of the curve here. So basically, we need to pop in a tangent to the curve here by I. So using our ruler, I've popped in this red line here. So it's just skimming the curve at minus 1, 6, forming a tangent. Now I've then, in order to work out the gradient, popped in a triangle here, and my gradient is 8 y step over x step, so 8 over 1.5, but it's going downwards, so that's a minus gradient, so minus 8 over 1.5 is minus 16 over 3. Now, because we've popped in this tangent by I, obviously there's going to be huge variation between everybody's results, so the mark scheme allows any gradients between minus 6 to minus 4. Now for part B, draw a suitable straight line on the grid, find an estimate for the solution of the graph, the function equals 7 minus 2x. So we need to draw in the straight line y equals 7 minus 2x, which is a straight line. So I've just created a couple of points on that line, so when x is 0, y would be 7, and also when x is 3.5, y would be 0. So that's just generating a couple of coordinates on the line. You can generate any coordinates you like. Just think of y equaling 7 minus 2x, and for any values of x, just get your values for y. So that purple line there is my line 7 minus 2x. It's crossing the curve here. So my solution is me taking a reading off the curve there, which is at 2.2. Now for part C, we're being told that the equation h of x equaling k, so this curve equaling any horizontal line, has 3 different solutions between a couple of ranges for A. So when we're drawing a straight line across, when do we get 3 solutions? Well, we will get 3 solutions if we went across here at minus 2, for example. 1, 2, 3. We would get 3 solutions if we went across at 5, say. 1, 2, 3. So what are the range of solutions within which we get 3 solutions? Well, basically it's everywhere above that minimum point there, but below that maximum point there. Can you see that any straight lines, any horizontal lines drawn, will cut the curve 3 times between there and there. Obviously above that point we only cut the curve once up here, and below the point we only cut the curve once here. So in short, this question is just asking us to find the maximum and minimum points. So this value of y here is at minus 4, and this value for y here is at 8.2. So my answers are minus 4 and 8.2.